Alright, so today we are going to upgrade this SSD in my MacBook Air. So it has got a few steps. First step is to create a bootable installer for Mac OS. So in this we will download the OS in Mac itself and then create install media. We'll using terminal. Then replace the old SSD with the new one by opening the hardware. And the third step would be install the OS using pen drive, which we will make bootable. And fourth step is to update the OS if required. So the whole procedure is given on the support website of Apple. So we are using USB flash drive, and first of all we need to format this in Mac OS extended version. After that we will install Mac, either Big Sur or Catalina or any of the OS. So we can install it after clicking here, or we can install it from the Play Store. After that we will change the name of our volume to my volume, and we'll go to the terminal and just copy paste this thing. Suppose we are installing Big Sur, so we'll copy paste this. So the first is for the creating installation media, and another part is volume. So you can see here my volume is there. So if you don't want to change the name of your stick of your pen drive, so here you need to change the name. Alright, so here we are going to install Catalina. So we'll copy and paste this thing on the terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal. Here we can copy paste it as discussed. So let's see. So I'm installing Big Sur. I'm trying to install Big Sur, but since it has a less memory, and that is why I'm upgrading this SSD. So I kind of got failed for downloading Big Sur. So after that I downloaded the Catalina only, and I installed Catalina. So you can see it here. It will come in the application folder. And after that I'll make the pen drive bootable by copy pasting that command, and that's how it become bootable. So my pen drive will become something like this. So here you can see it's a adapter which will make my SSD compatible with the MacBook slot. Okay, so it has got the screw at the end. So this is a Samsung SSD, and for inserting the SSD we'll use this adapter first. So you can see it's a VNAND SSD, so it's a 500 GB, and I'll take it out and properly by matching the slots I'll insert it into this adapter carefully. So once it is properly attached, you can see it here. After that I need to open my MacBook. So these are the screw you can see. So I need to open these one by one so that I can remove this flap or body. So I'll quickly open these screws. So these are very delicate, so you should take care of the things. Once all the screws are open, I can remove this body part, and here you can see the batteries are there, and the motherboard is there, and on that motherboard this SSD is there. It is 128 GB. So what I'll do, I'll remove this screw through which SSD is attached, and bring it out from the slot and put the new Samsung SSD which is 500 GB. Okay, so it will make one sound that will ensure that it's properly fixed, and the other end I'll screw it out. So this part is done. Again, I'll cover this with the base body part. In a similar way, I took it out. So, all right. After that, I'll insert my bootable pen drive and then turn it on while pressing the option. So with that option button, this thing will come. So if I click on this, it will start installing. It will take some time. Then after some time, this window will pop up. So before installing, actually, I will go to the disk utility. So in that, I'll format the new Samsung SSD. So here you can see various storage devices there. My pen drive is also there, and then Samsung SSD, which has 500 GB of memory space. So this I need to format it first. So what I'll do, I'll erase the disk. And the one thing which I need to take care is the format should be APFS. Okay, you need to take care of this thing. You can also provide some names. So I have given Rahul's MacBook. After that, click on the erase. So this will get formatted in APFS. Okay, now I will install the Mac OS into this particular drive. Okay, now go to install Mac OS, continue. After that, it will take some time. You need to follow the step. There is nothing big here. You select the section. So that is there. So it will, as I said, it will again take some time. And once it get installed, so the main window will come. Okay, so it's getting started. Again, this process is lengthy. So now this is how it looks. This is Catalina. You can see about this Mac. If you go about this Mac, you will get all the details. Okay, so here you can see its version, and this is the storage. Yeah, the storage has been upgraded. You can clearly see it, and these are the default apps which comes along with the OS. After that, I'll upgrade my OS with the Mac Big Sur. You can do it if you need it. Thank you.